Okay, everyone, never ever pull fire alarms in public buildings without a fire or without authorization. You do not pull the fire alarm in any public building for fun. That is a no no. You could get into serious trouble. You are responsible for someone's death, and you are responsible for a panic. So that is a no no. Also, another thing you should never do in public buildings is that you should never tamper with fire alarms. Don't screw it or unscrew it or take it off the wall. Don't paint it. Don't draw or write on it. You don't adjust the volume, the pattern, the candela, or tone on it. You do not ever mess with fire alarms in public buildings. You don't tamper with them, you don't pull them for fun, and you don't vandalize them. You never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings. That is a no no. Don't take it off the wall, don't take it off the ceiling. Only do it with your own alarm at home, but if it's in a public building, do not do it. Bye.